Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another perfume review video. My name is Naz. This is my channel, the King of Hidden Gems. I try to bring to your attention fragrances that are usually very good value for money. They smell good. They're usually under the radar. Not many people talk about them. I think at least you should do your research. Try it for yourself and see if they're any good to you. So in this video I have another unboxing and first impression for you, and this is the House of Rasasi. House of Rasasi almost doesn't need introduction because many of you would know them. They are from United Arab Emirates, from Middle East, and they are very famous because they have few fragrances that almost everybody, if they haven't tried it or bought it, they have heard of them. So I haven't unboxed and reviewed Rasasi for ages, for maybe a couple of years or 3 years. So when I saw this beauty, and I had to get it and see how it goes. So this one in particular called Rasasi Egra, and it's Eau de Parfum, is for men, and this is 100 ml, yeah, 100 ml. So as you can see, the box is quite, good looking. As always, Middle Eastern houses, they give you everything plus the kitchen sink for a price. This one in particular, you can find it in United Kingdom under £25, and let's see how it goes. But before I do the unboxing, please, if you like what I do, if you find it useful, informative, valuable or entertaining, you know what to do. Hit those buttons. Your finger can do wonders. You can help me, encourage me, motivate me to make videos like this in future. Your help, your motivation would take this channel a long way, and I appreciate that very much. Thank you very much, and let's go. As you can see, beautiful, I mean, quite a nice looking bottle. It's a nice design to it. Overall quite nice, especially for the price. Sorry about the noise. Alright, so in terms of presentation, it's quite actually on the simpler side of things. Usually with Middle Eastern houses, they give you much more elaborate things, but I don't mind that. If the juice is good, that's the important thing. The most important thing is what's inside. If you give me a simplest presentation but the juice is good, I'm very happy. But if you give me the most elaborate presentation but the juice is no good, it's no good to me at all. Okay, so nice design to it. It's quite modern, it's quite futuristic, is a little bit on the yeah, anyway, I like it. It's quite nice. So the bottle is very long, but it doesn't have that much width to it. Oh, it was like a cigarette lighter. Okay, all right. And the atomizer is black. So here we go. First impression. Wow, look at that. Woo! What an atomizer. The atomizer push out so much juice and a big cloud. Very good atomizer. You don't need more than one or two. Oh my god, it's filling the room already. Woo! Huge, massive. Here we go. First impression. OMG, it's so strong. Goodness me. Woo! Yeah, so this one, yeah, it's very green. It's many people said this is inspired by GIT or Green Irish Tweed. Yes, I agree with that. It's very close to it. Goodness me, what a smell. Beautiful. I like the Green Irish Tweed DNA anyway, so I'm going to be biased towards it because I love that DNA. It's very refreshing, it's very fresh, it's very green. Green is one of my favorite genres anyway. So this one is going to be the same, okay? Aromatic, huge aromatic. Woody. Spicy. Herbal. Green. A bit of watery aspect to it, not much, a little bit at the moment, but you can feel some wateriness. massive citrus. At the moment it's super citrusy and it's zesty and it's green and it's leafy and it's grassy and it's herbal and it's, mamma mia, what a smell. This is up my alley. I'm a middle-aged man, I love this kind of fragrances. So for me this is a perfection in a bottle. Very, very good, especially for a price. Amazing. So it's very, very close to Green Irish Tweed. I would say at least 90%, if not more. Just the second you spray on, it just take you to Green Irish Tweed. Bang. You know, it just one of those fragrances that you don't have to even think about it. It just immediately, unless you never ever smelled Green Irish Tweed or one of their hundreds of clones, then you might not know it. But if you're like me, I smell Green Irish Tweed many times, and also I smelled many clones. So the second I put it on, it just took me immediately there. So undoubtedly this is inspired fragrance by Green Irish Tweed by Creed. Okay, definitely mature, definitely people who like their classical fragrances, because this is super classic. They just took me back to the 70s and 80s. Yes, this is that kind of fragrances. So you need to like your classical, you need to like your green, you need to like your super masculine fragrances. This is uber masculine. There's no here, nothing in here to say unisex, metropole, metro man or anything like that. No, modern man. This is classic. You need a huge hairy chest to wear this. Very, very good. There's a little bit of powderiness to it as well, but not much, just a tiny bit of powderiness come from the violet. And you know, the violet leaf is huge in here. Goodness me, what a beauty. Citruses are huge, and I can smell lemon, I can smell bergamot, I can smell a little bit of that what is it, uzu, what they call it, or vibrina. Yeah, lemon vibrina is a kind of a lemon which is it's come from I think is a Italian lemon, which is, you know, same as any other lemon. It's just a little bit of green, the zestiness to it, and instead of just being yellow zesty, this is green zesty. OMG, very, very good. So if you like Green Irish Tweed, you will love this. If you like your green fragrances, you will love this. If you like your classical masculine fragrances, you like this. If you like anything that give you super confidence, this, although if you're not confident person, you can't wear this. You know, this is one of the fragrances, either you wear it or it will wear you, so you need to be confident to wear it. But for me, this is a beauty in a bottle. I absolutely love it. 2 thumbs up. Yes, yes, yes for first impression. Yes, I'm absolutely loving it. And he's feeling, the room is feeling the house, so I'm expecting it to perform well, because House of Rasasi, they don't do half measures. They always give you everything plus the kitchen sink, and in terms of power, they are very, very powerful fragrances. Beautiful, beautiful. Okay guys, so if you have it, if you tried it, if you know it, let us know your experience. That would be useful for others to read. Thank you. And if you like what I do, don't forget to hit those buttons. If you want to buy one of my own fragrances, they are out of this world. They are super artistic, ultra beast mode, 100% natural, amazing value for money, but you need to live in the United Kingdom in order to purchase them. I'll leave them in the link. Thank you as always, and I'll see you later. Bye, bye, bye.